Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 7th General Knowledge part 13. So let's start this video. Knowledge Bank third. Question first. Iridium flare. What is it? What is iridium flare? The sudden bright light that we can see in the sky is called the iridium flare. The certain bright light we can see in the sky is called the iridium flare. When the sunlight hits the mirror-like antenna of the satellite at a particular angle, the antenna reflects this light, and as a result we can see sudden bright light in the sky. Means when sunlight hits the mirror-like antenna of satellite at a particular angle, the antenna reflects this light, and in the form result we can see a suddenly bright light in the sky. This is called the iridium flare. Next one, the space junk. Space junk satellites kept in space stop functioning sometimes and become out of use. They, however, keep on rotating, adding to the space junk. Rocket stage and satellite fragments keep rotating and add to space junk. They are very harmful and many may damage other satellites in space as they move with very high velocity. Means space junk means some satellites in a space cannot perform or functioning and become out of use. Such type of satellite is called the space junk, and this type of satellites may danger other satellites in space. They move with very high velocity. So this type of satellite is called the space junk. Next question. How are satellites useful to us? First, they are used for weather forecasting, measuring winds and temperature of the atmosphere from the space. In satellite used for weather forecasting, measuring winds, temperature of the atmosphere from the space. Next point, used by military for battle zone tracking, watching missiles launchers. Means satellite used by military for battle zones tracking, watching missiles launches. 3. They transmit data for telecommunication. Means satellite used to transmit data for telecommunication. Next point, they help in navigating ships and planes. Means satellite used to navigating ships and planes. Means these are all the use of satellite nowadays. Next one, ever wonder why third? Question number first. Why is the planet Mars red? Mars is known as red planet because it covered by a stone desert that contains lots of iron oxide, making it appear rusty red. Means Mars is known as the red planet because it covered by stone deserts that contain lots of iron oxides. The planet does not have any atmosphere at present because whatever little water and oxygen existed there are now rock up in the iron deposits. Means in a Mars planet lots of iron oxide found, so that this planet look like a red. Question number second. Why cannot fish survive outside water? The adaptation of fish is such that they can breathe under the water. They have special organs called gills, which are situated at each side of the fish head. The fish gulp is water through their mouth and pass it out through the gills. The gills are rich in blood and they extract oxygen from the water and pass it into the fish blood. These gills do not work without the air aid of water, Hence, a fish cannot survive outside the water. Means fish have a special organ is called gills. When water insert through mouth to gills, and they are different oxygen and oxygen insert in fish body, so that these gills do not work without water, so that fish cannot survive outside of the water. In a human being, like lungs and fish have gills. Lungs perform through air and gills perform within water. So this is the reason fish cannot survive outside water. Next question. Why are some people left-handed? In the world population, about 4% are left-handed. World population, near about 4% persons have left-handed. In our body, we have two halves of brain. If left half of brain predominate, the right half of the body is more skilled and able to do things in better way. In the right-handed person, it is the left half of the brain that predominate. While in this case of left-handed people, the right half of the brain predominate, and hence such persons can work better with left side of their body. Means in this world, near about 4% are people left-handed. In our body have two half of brain. If the left half of brain predominate and right half of the body brain are more skills, able to do work better way, the right-handed person, it is the left half of the brain predominant. While in a case of left-handed people, right half of the brain predominate and left half of the brain more skills and able to do things in better, so that such person can work better with the left side of the body. So this is called, this is the reason some people are left-handed, because left side of half of brain more skills and able to do things, perform a better work, and right side of the brain are predominant of left-handed people. Thanks. Hopefully each and every student understands all content of this video. All of students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.